Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the central government college guys. So really it is a very good news to the PhD aspirants. Okay, why? Because here the fellowship is going to available for the post-graduation candidates. So even though the PG candidates without having the UGC net or the GATE or the CSIR net, okay, so these candidates will get the scholarship, that is 31,000 rupees per month for the first and second year, and 35,000 rupees per month for the third year to the fifth year. So whatever the fellowship is there to the only PG candidates, this fellowship is almost equal to the UGC NET JRF candidates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission, even though without having the national level eligibility test qualifications, and looking for the PhD fellowships for the entire 5 years with only post graduation qualification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, that is IIIT D&M, Kanchipuram, Chennai. So from this one here the PhD admission portal opened guys. So here the browser, register, login and contact us. Okay, these four are there. First we will see the detailed browser here. And this brochure is having total of 27 pages. So out of this one, we will see whatever the important points are there. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, okay, please visit yourself guys. And it is a PhD program July 2021 session from IIIT D&M from Kanchipuram, Chennai. So here about the research programs and infrastructure and facilities they given. So the first point, category of the PhD admission. So admission under the regular, that is HTRA, that is half-time research assistantship you are going to get, research or the teaching assistantship. Okay. So the scholars need to do the teaching assistantship for at least 8 hours per week, and the renewal of assistantship for every semester will be contingent or on enrollment, satisfactory progress in research work and good performance during the preceding semester. And the scholars will be paid 31,000 rupees per month during the first and second year, and 35,000 rupees per month from third to the fifth year, subject to the fulfillment of external assessment at the end of the second year. So this fellowship amount is almost equal to the UGC NET JRF candidates. So please utilize this opportunity guys. Even though if you don't have the national level eligibility test qualifications, if you are having only post graduation, you will get the stipend almost equal to UGC NET JRF candidates if you got admission in this college. Okay, and the research scholars under the sponsored category is given here. So we will check the minimum eligibility criteria. So minimum eligibility criteria to the candidates who are having the PG degree, the candidates having the master's degree in engineering or technology, or a master of science degree by research in engineering or technology, or 5 years integrated masters with a good academic record, right? And the candidates who are having master's degree in science or arts, for these candidates GATE or the UGC NET is mandatory, fine. But while coming to the master degree in engineering or technology, or else a master of science by research in engineering or technology, these candidates doesn't require any type of national level eligibility test qualifications. Okay, so and individual departmental wise also you can check down the qualifications. So for along with this one, you may check whatever the departments are offering the PhD admission program in this college. So first one is computer science and engineering, master's degree in computer science and engineering, computer engineering or else information technology, and candidates with only MCA or the MSc or MPhil are not eligible. Next, coming to the electronics and communication engineering, including the electrical. So master's degree in electrical or else electronics and communication instrumentation, or else a master's degree in physics also, followed by a master's degree in engineering and area relevant to the research. And mechanical engineering also given here, master's degree, and mathematical. While coming to the mathematics, apart from the master's degree in mathematics, status, physics or computer science with GATE, UGC, CSIR, NBHM must be there. Or else if you are doing the MTech in these departments or any MTech degree with master's degree in these departments, you can apply. No need of For these category candidates, there is no need of the GATE or UGC or CSIR qualification. And coming to the physics, MSc with GATE, UGC or CSIR, and English is also same thing. Master's degree with qualifying UGC NET or JRF or also CSIR JRF or GATE score. And the candidates who are having master's degree in engineering or technology or 5 years BS plus MS dual degree. And the interdisciplinary designs are also there. So masters are equivalent in any discipline. Okay. And MS or MS are equivalent in any science discipline with GATE to UGC or the CSIR or DAE, just fine. So here, if you are having the master's degree, that is ME or MTech or MDes or MArch or MBA in any discipline, then you may apply under the interdisciplinary category. Okay, guys. And next, coming to the selection procedure for HRTA, whatever thing we discussed above. Eligible candidates possessing the minimum educational qualifications and satisfying additional and stiffer criteria set by the institution from time to time will be called for the test of the interview. And GATE qualified candidates will be given preference. They are not telling that it is mandatory for the HTRA. They are telling that they will be given the preference. That's it. And selection will be purely based upon your academic record as well as the performance in the test or else the interview. And all rules and regulations as per the college guys. And selection procedure under for the sponsored category given here. And coming to the application fee for general category, OBC non-creamy layer and EWS 250 rupees for male and 125 for the female, and for other category 125 for both male and the female candidates. And the institution fee is also given here. Okay, so it is somewhat a reasonable institution fee is provided guys. Okay, so you may check down comparing with other colleges. And here the few instructions are given here to fill up the online application. The last date is 17th June 2021. So the time of filling up, you must be ready with colored photograph and scanned copy of your signature and scanned copy of your PG degree, UG degree, and higher education, higher secondary certificate and your 10th certificate. Okay, and experience certificate if any, as well as the caste certificate and the PWD if any, and the EWS. Okay, a valid copy of GATE scorecard or else UGC, CSIR, NET, or any other fellowship award. Okay, so all these things you have to keep with yourself with. And important dates. Portal of online application started from 28th May onwards, and the last date for submitting the application is 17th June onwards. And here tentative dates of interview or the written test through online guys. Everything is through online. So 23rd June for computer science, and 24 for electronics, and 25 for mechanical, 26 for mathematics, English, and 28 for interdisciplinary design, and 29 for the physics. And announcement of selected candidates on website itself 14th July to 20th July. And commencement of classes from 2nd August 2021. Okay, so candidates are requested to apply online only, and there is no requirement of submission of the hard copies. And other points are also mentioned here. Okay, so you please go through all this one guys. And one more point, if you are having any queries at the time of filling up of the online application form or else anything, then here the mail ID is provided. 2 mail IDs are there, so you may contact with any one of the mail ID guys. Okay. So these are the complete details, and area of specialization and the written test syllabus is also provided in the rest of the pages. So you please check down. And so these are the details regarding the notification from the IIIT D&M guys. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied. okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.